Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to make a second YouTube channel, and let's get started. Click on your profile picture, switch account. So if you have a lot of your accounts, just click on one where you don't have a channel, and there you can create a new channel. But if you don't have account, you're just gonna click on your plus button. It will download. Click on create account, personal use, write down your first name, click on next, base settings, and next. Choose your Gmail address and write down your password after you followed on-screen instructions. You just need to click here, create a channel on your new YouTube account or on your new Google account, and your second YouTube channel will be created. So I hope this video was helpful for you. Please make sure you liked it and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.